Hi, today we'll show you a new product in our offer that will make work in your car service easier. We present our new cabinet sandblasters. Let's start with the larger model, the SB-220. This is a cabinet sandblaster with a working capacity of 220 liters, allowing you to fit really large parts inside. Sandblasting calipers, brackets, or control arms becomes easy thanks to the large chamber and the lightweight, handy blasting gun. Thanks to the long pneumatic hoses, you can easily reach every corner of the part you're cleaning without constantly rotating or repositioning it. Thanks to the powerful LED lighting, you can clearly see where the abrasive stream is hitting. The gloves used in this model are really durable and long. Additionally, they are coated with a special anti-slip layer that provides a secure grip. The hopper-shaped abrasive container makes mixing the media during work easier. The simple discharge of used abrasive at the bottom of the hopper also makes replacement much easier. It's also worth mentioning the window used in this unit. It consists of 3 layers. On top, there is a plexiglass panel that's resistant to minor impacts. The middle layer is a glass window, and at the bottom there is a protective film that prevents the glass from becoming dull. With the sandblaster, you also get 4 additional spare protective films. You also receive 4 interchangeable nozzles in sizes 4.5, 5, 6, and 7 millimeters, which you can match to the grit size of the abrasive you want to work with. At the back of the unit, there are 2 outlets for dust extractors with diameters of 60 millimeters and 95 millimeters. The entire sandblaster stands on long, stable legs, which makes the working position very comfortable. The smaller SB-90 model is a good alternative for car services where every centimeter of space matters, or for people working on smaller parts. It's a small, lightweight sandblaster in which you can easily clean, for example, brake system components, steering knuckles from a small passenger car, or motorcycle parts. Just like in the larger version, the set includes different nozzles, 4.5, 5, 6, and 7 millimeters, which allow you to adjust them to the grit size of the abrasive you're working with. Thanks to the long pneumatic hoses, we can easily reach every corner of the part being cleaned without constantly rotating or repositioning it. The long gloves, coated with an anti-slip layer, provide a secure grip on the sandblasted part while being very durable and offering excellent protection for your hands during work. The powerful LED light illuminates the entire chamber, allowing you to clearly see what's happening inside. In this model, the entire top panel with the window opens, giving you the ability to work with fairly large parts. The top opening measures 46 by 37 centimeters. The compact dimensions combined with the relatively low weight of the unit allow you to put it on a shelf when you're not using it, a big advantage when every centimeter of space counts.